Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Language Matrix. I am Mandy with a new cue card. Describe an important piece of news that you received via text message. So what you need to describe here specifically, they have given you about the text message. You have to describe everything related to that. You cannot include something else, the video call or any other thing that you received some information from. So you need to firstly describe about only the text message. Keep in your mind, okay, what are the cues? The first cue is who shared the message with you. So they are asking directly from you. They have given something that who shared the message with you. It means you have to describe the name of the person as well, or you can describe only the relation with that person, that someone like your mother sent you the message or your father sent you the message, your brother. You can describe the name as well. Second one is what was written in it. So you have to describe everything related to that. What was written, what was important in that, why actually that message was having something significant message in it. And next one is explain why the news was important. You have to describe, you have to explain that the message was so important for you. So what is the sample answer for this one? I've been using mobile phone for few years. Time and again, generally I receive many messages related to news, study and many other things. Here I'd like to talk about text message which was so significant for me. It was the month of April 2019 and I had been sitting in my room. Actually, I had taken an entrance exam for my degree course and one must have got 70% marks in that to get enrolled. I had been waiting for the results to be declared. It was an afternoon and I was enjoying reading some important articles over the internet. I was receiving some messages on my phone as usually I got before. I didn't think of message that was in my phone's inbox. After a remarkably short period of time, I picked up my phone and video called some of my friends without taking a look of any message. I think I would have talked about the result with them that when it was going to be revealed. My friends asked me astonishingly that didn't I receive the result yet. I said no to them and cut the video call. As soon as I cut the call, I directly opened the inbox and it was fifth or sixth message of my father, whose phone number was registered with the online platform of the university while filling the application form. I firstly prayed and recited some words, my eyes closed. Lifting up my eyelashes slowly and gradually, still whispering some words, I opened the message. There were three lines in that. The very first was congratulations, second was 82%, and the third and concluding was about the reference code and congregation along with original documents which were required. I was floating on the air after getting those details. The message was having significant details in it because without that reference number, it was not possible to get admission inside the building of the university campus. It was to be shown to the concierge while entering the gates. So after few days, I submitted my documents and got registered with the course which I wanted to register. That was the situation when I received information via a message and it was so important for me. So this was the sample answer, guys. You can also create your own story related to the text message. All you know about it, that there are many text messages that you receive with some of the important news, or if someone shared that message with you, there could have been some important thing in it, and you received some of the details related to your exam, or it was something, the date revealing some important news related to your visa maybe, or you can talk about something else, because visa is something that you need not to include right now because you are actually sitting in the exam. So I wouldn't say that you should include any kind of visa information. You can say that you got some text message from the immigration consultants or something else. Okay, that was the sample answer, and you just keep looking at the things that I have included in it, and there are some vocabulary and there are idioms, phrases that you can include. Keep looking at them and include in your speaking, guys. Thank you so much. Keep sharing, keep subscribing, keep liking. Thank you very much.